One of the challenges we had this year was right after last year's conference, we were informed we were losing our executive director. My name is Craig McKenzie, and I represent the British Columbia section of IMSA, which is British Columbia, Canada.
I'm John Hightower. I'm from the Central section, which is the state of Kansas, current board of director. I will be soon the president-elect incoming for 2026.
I'm Ray Parmigiani. I'm from the Arizona section, live in Mesa, Arizona. I'm the current section secretary, treasurer, and certification chairman, and I am currently the president-elect for IMSA International.
2026 was like roller coaster, a lot of ups and downs. Like, we've hired a new executive director, we've hired new staff, and they've been doing an excellent job so far this year.
This year's journey's been a roller coaster. A lot of unplanned opportunities or activities taking place. Went through hiring a new executive. We had some internal issues going on that we had to work out as a board, as a community.
Some of the accomplishments this year were reviewing our GPM documents. Those got done.
We've redone some of the governance policies, working on the bylaws. We've worked on the CPPPM this year.
We were extremely lucky to find the executive director we have now. Heidi Cram has been outstanding. We're very lucky to get her. Her leadership is beyond reproach from what I've seen. What she's done in the last 10 months has been incredible. She's brought brilliant new staff on, and they're working well as a team. When I compliment Heidi, she says it's my team. When I compliment the team, they say it's the leadership. So they're firing on all cylinders, and we're excited for the future.
We're definitely moving forward. We had some rocky years behind us. We have a strong leadership team in place currently, from the executive down to multiple new directors of different work groups or departments of the organization, and there's a lot more accountability now and a lot more productivity, and we're definitely moving forward as an organization.
Me personally, I would like to see our exams and our certifications that we have continue to be updated and go from good to great. We've had good growth so far, and we'd like to continue that growth.
As far as what's coming in the next year, we're constantly working on our programs. Certification courses are constantly being upgraded and looked at, and based on feedback, we're constantly tweaking things. I'm excited for the future. I'm not going away. I'm still going to be here. I've joked all week about counting down to the end of the presidency, but in all honesty, I'm still going to be around and working for the organization.